Now let's see what are the next reactions. Next we will study how can we prepare secondary alcohol. In order to prepare secondary alcohol, we react Grignard's reagent with ethanol or acetaldehyde. Let's see what is the reaction. We make the Grignard's reagent here. For example, if we have ethyl magnesium bromide, ethyl, that is CH3, CH2, MgBr. We have ethyl magnesium bromide. This carbon atom which is directly attached with metal atom is partial negative, while magnesium is positive. And if we react it with ethanol, that is acetaldehyde, we make the molecule of acetaldehyde here, students. Here we have acetaldehyde, right? This is acetaldehyde. Again it is polar. Oxygen has partial negative charge while carbon has partial positive charge on it. Now students, this reaction is proceeded in the forward direction with the help of in the presence of dry ether. So in the medium here we must have dry ether. Dry ether should be there. Dry ether. Now we see how reaction is proceeded. This is the carbon which has negative charge on it. With the help of this negative charge, it will attack on carbonyl carbon, right? And the pi electron density which is present between carbonyl carbon and oxygen, it is shifted on carbonyl oxygen. Now oxygen becomes total negative, right? After the shifting of pi electron, oxygen will attack on this magnesium and will form sigma bond with this magnesium, right students? So after the reaction, we get the addition product. Addition product which is formed will be like, we will make here the carbonyl carbon. This is the carbonyl carbon. On one side it has methyl group, right? Here we have hydrogen atom, and here ethyl group is attached with this CH2, CH3. Ethyl group is attached. Here oxygen which has a negative charge on it, and it is attached with magnesium bromide, right students? This is addition product. Addition product. Now students, we will see how can we get secondary alcohol from this addition product. Again we will make the addition product to understand how secondary alcohol is formed. So here we write the addition product, CH3, H, CH2, CH3, right students? And here we have oxygen, magnesium, bromide. Now if we do its acidic hydrolysis, right, in the presence of acidic medium, water, right students, acid in the water, then we will see how reaction will take place in the forward direction. This oxygen has negative charge on it, so we will see how reaction takes place. With the help of this negative charge, oxygen is protonated. It means oxygen abstracts this proton from the medium, and the bonding electron density which is present between oxygen and magnesium will be cleaved, right? So after the reaction, we get here, we get the molecule like CH3, CH2, CH2. Here we have CH3, CHOH. Now students, you can notice what is the nature of this alcohol. Since hydroxyl group is attached with secondary carbon, so that's why this is secondary alcohol. What is the name of this alcohol, students? It is 2-butanol, since there are 4 carbon atoms. So this is secondary alcohol, right? Here we can write the secondary alcohol. Which secondary alcohol is formed, students? It is 2-butanol. 2-butanol. Besides secondary alcohols, the other molecule which is formed here, hydroxide ion, which has negative charge on it. With the help of this negative charge, it will make bond with this magnesium which is positive, which has positive charge on it. So we have the next product which is formed is hydroxy magnesium bromide. So in this way we convert acetaldehyde into secondary alcohol. I hope this reaction is clear to you, students. Now let's see what is the next reaction. Next reaction is reaction of Grignard's reagent with propanone. Propanone, the common name of propanone is acetone. Whenever we react Grignard's reagent with acetone always will we get tertiary alcohol. Now let's see students, what is the reaction. We will write the reaction here to see how tertiary alcohol is formed. Here we will write the Grignard's reagent. For example, if we have methyl magnesium bromide. Methyl magnesium bromide is the Grignard reagent. Right students, carbon has partial negative charge while there is a positive charge on this magnesium. Here we will make the molecule of acetone. This is acetone students, carbonyl carbon, and on either side of carbonyl carbon we have methyl group. This is a polar molecule students. Carbon oxygen is more electronegative, so it has partial negative charge on it, while carbon has partial positive charge on it. And this reaction is proceeded in the presence of dry ether. Dry ether should be there to carry out the reaction in the forward direction. Now students, we will see how reaction will take place. Here this carbon along with the help of this negative charge, it will attack on this carbonyl carbon, right? And it will make sigma bond with carbonyl carbon to keep carbonyl carbon tetravalent. Pi electron density shifted on this oxygen. Now after the shifting of pi electrons, oxygen becomes total negative, and with the help of this negative charge, it will attack on this magnesium and will form sigma bond with this magnesium. Now students, we will see what addition product is formed. Here we will make the carbonyl carbon, and here methyl group is attached on this side. Again we have methyl group on this side, right students, and on this side again we have a methyl group which forms sigma bond with this carbonyl carbon. Then there is a bond between oxygen. Oxygen has negative charge and it make bond with magnesium halide, that is magnesium bromide. So here we get the addition product. Addition product is formed, right students. Now we will see how we get tertiary alcohol from addition product. How can tertiary alcohol is formed? We make addition products once again. That is, we have methyl group on this side. Similarly, on this side as well as on this side, we have methyl group. Here we have oxygen, negative charge, magnesium bromide. Now, if we do the acidic hydrolysis, that is acid in the presence of water, we do the acidic hydrolysis. Then what will happen students? Oxygen will be protonated. Oxygen with the help of negative charge, it will abstract proton from medium, and the bonding electron density which is present between oxygen and magnesium will be cleaved. So after the reaction we get here CH3, CH3, CH3 and OH, right students. Now magnesium, since it has positive charge on it, so hydroxide ion of water, it will attack on this magnesium and it will form the next product which is formed is hydroxy magnesium bromide. Hydroxy magnesium bromide. Students, here we get the tertiary alcohol. Since hydroxyl group is attached with tertiary carbon, so we get tertiary alcohol. What is the IUPAC name of this tertiary alcohol students? It is 1, 2, 3. So IUPAC name is 2-methyl, 2-propanol. The tertiary alcohol which is formed here is